Hello and welcome back to the Music Theory Challenge, where every day we learn something new about music theory. We just started a new unit in the previous lesson, so if you missed that, please go back and watch it. It's going to explain so much of what we do today. And if you're ready, grab your writing utensil, paper, or the PDF that is linked down below that I made to go along with these lessons. In the last class, quick little recap, we learned about the whole note, the half note, and the quarter note. Now remind me, how many beats do each of these get? The whole gets 4. The half gets half of 4, which is 2. And the quarter gets 1. Now, all of these we would sing or play through for that amount of time. You would sing or play for 4 full beats with the whole note. Ah. But now we're going to learn the rests, meaning the silences. The rest symbol for the whole looks like a hole in the ground. So imagine, or you can draw your floor first and then draw a hole. The rest lasts 4 full beats. The half rest looks like a top hat. So this is something that was confusing for me as a kid, that the whole and half rests look so close. So something that helps me remember is that the whole looks like a hole, right? And that the half rest looks like a hat. And that starts with the same letters. And so that's kind of something that I use to remind myself which one is which. And the quarter rest is easy. It doesn't look like either of these. It literally, to me, looks like a lightning bolt symbol. And the rest lasts for 1 beat. And that's it for today. Now that we've learned 6 really important characters in music notation, in the next lesson we're going to start playing or clapping them when seen together. So your homework for today is to memorize how long each of these symbols last. The whole note or whole rest being 4 full beats, the half note and half rest being 2 full beats, and the quarter note and quarter rest being 1 full beat. And what I mean by 1 full beat or 2 full beats is to think 1 and for the quarter note, or to think 1 and 2 and for the half note and half rest, and to think 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the whole, or whole note or whole rest. So that's it. That's your homework for now. In the next class, we'll start playing or clapping. So if you play guitar, ukulele, or if you just want to clap along, get ready because we're going to have some fun. I hope that you're having fun throughout these lessons. Let me know how you're feeling so far, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!